Newton's laws of motion are fundamental principles that explain the behavior of objects in motion. These laws, established by Sir Isaac Newton in the 17th century, have helped scientists and engineers understand and predict the motion of various objects, from a rolling ball to a flying airplane. The first law of motion, known as the law of inertia, states that an object at rest will remain at rest, and an object in motion will continue moving at a constant velocity unless acted upon by an external force. In simpler terms, this law tells us that objects tend to resist changes in their motion.
For example, when a car
Comes to a sudden stop, the passengers inside will continue moving forward until they are stopped by the seatbelt or airbag. The second law, often expressed as F by comma, force equals mass times acceleration, explains how the velocity of an object changes when it is subjected to an external force. In other words, the greater the force applied to an object, the greater its acceleration will be. This law is crucial for understanding how things like rockets and cars move and accelerate. The third law of motion states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This means that when one object pushes or pulls on another object, the second object pushes or pulls back with an equal force in the opposite direction. For example, when you walk, your foot pushes backward on the ground, and the ground pushes your foot forward, propelling you forward. These laws have numerous practical applications in our daily lives. For instance, they are used to design safe and efficient transportation systems, such as cars, airplanes, and space shuttles. They are also important in sports, helping athletes understand how to generate the most force and speed in their movements. Additionally, these laws are crucial for designing structures like bridges and buildings, ensuring they can withstand the forces acting upon them. In conclusion, Newton's laws of motion are essential for understanding the behavior of objects in motion. Whether we are driving a car, playing sports, or even walking, these laws are constantly at work, shaping the world around us and enabling us to navigate and interact with our environment.